In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use Claude AI for process mapping. Let's get started. First, launch your Claude AI in your browser and make sure you are logged in. Once you're on the main screen, click on the message box that says, "How can I help you today?" This is where you will enter your prompt. Now type a clear instruction asking Claude to create a process map. For example, you can say, "Create a process map for onboarding a new employee in a company." You can also add extra details like start and end points, decision steps, or rules involved to make the output more accurate and useful. Once your prompt is ready, click send. Claude will generate a structured process map showing each step in order, including decision points like yes, no, paths, and a full workflow from start to finish. After that, carefully review the response. You'll usually get a clean, organized outline with label steps and short explanations. You can adjust or simplify it depending on your needs. Next, copy the generated content and paste it into a diagram tool, presentation software, or document editor. Many tools can automatically convert this structured text to a flowchart, which saves you a lot of time. Finally, make sure your step names are short and your decision points are clear so others can easily understand the process flow. And that's it. That's how you can use Claude AI for process mapping quickly and efficiently. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.